Imagine a career that shapes the future, where you get to design experiences that people love, that make a difference, that leave a lasting impact. That's the power of UI/UX design. It's not just about making things look good. It's about crafting experiences that connect with people on a deeper level. It's about understanding user needs, solving problems, and creating digital products that people truly love. Imagine being the one who makes technology truly human, the one who bridges the gap between the digital world and the human experience, the one who shapes the future of how we interact with technology. With Xcelerate's UI/UX Design Bootcamp, you can unlock your full potential and become a sought-after designer. You learn the fundamentals of user research, design principles, and industry-standard tools like Figma. But that's just the beginning. You'll gain real-world experiences by working with real client projects, guided by our expert mentors. You'll learn to conduct user interviews, build high-fidelity prototypes, and present your work with confidence. We'll help you craft your persona as a designer and build a portfolio that showcases your skills and passion. This isn't just a course, it's a transformation. You'll be ready to launch your career as a UI/UX designer. You'll have the skills and confidence to create beautiful and user-friendly experiences that make a real difference. Ready to unlock your potential and become a master UI/UX designer? Join Xccelerate today and start your journey to fulfilling an impactful career.